Hello, my name is Ashley. Today I would like to show you how you can make a hat with the scarf in one. So we're gonna start. I'm sure everybody's seen this kind of hoops that it comes all kind of variety sizes from small to big. So today I want to show you what I made first. Over here I have a scarf. At the same time it's a neck warmer and it's a hat. So I'm going to show you how we can do that. So we take the loop, and if nobody knows it or nobody done, in case if you don't have it or you cannot find it, you can even do on a piece of wood, put some nails. When we were a kid, we used to do this. We put a nail and we do the work. You put your thread from inside or outside, doesn't matter. You put your thread and you twist it once, and then you go next, and then you go from inside, you go out and you twist. From inside to out, you go twist. Do not pull too hard, because later on it's going to be very hard to do it. The first of them, the first two layers, kind of make it a little bit gentle, not too pull, but not too loose either. What you do from inside out, and this will go pretty much fast. If you do, it will be no time you will do your work. I'm just going to show you the first two lines. So you go from inside, turn around and bring out, because I was talking to some people, they say they never seen it. They don't know, because I showed them the scarf how I did it. They said they don't have it. So I want to show them how they can do it and how they can get it. You can always order. These days you can order from Amazon, but in case certain countries they don't have it or it's hard to get it, they can do it, like I said, on the wood, circle wood with the nails. That's what we used to do when we were a kid. Now that you did the first layer, we've done it, we're gonna go one more time, second time, two times. You go one on all over, and I'm using the small one, so this way it will be a little faster, because I have bigger ones. They have more nails, and it's gonna take much longer time. Try be careful not to miss anything, but while you are working, sometimes you might miss it. It's not gonna hurt you, it won't show. So this is my second turn. Now that you see over here, they have a hook, that what you do, whatever it's the last one, that one you do first, so you won't have to take it out. It won't come out again. So you just, now once you leave it, nothing will happen. So what you do from the back part, from this part, you take it and you put forward, and it goes very, very easy. I want to show you over here, there is a deep line. That's why it makes it easier to grab it, to throw it in the front. So this is how the way you'll do it. Don't be afraid, don't worry about if it gets a little loose, it's fine. Once you push it back, everything it will fall in its place. There we go. So this is the way you will do it. Now that you finish it, this is the last. Later on you can hide while you're working. Push them back with your fingers like this, because when it's very tight, it will be hard at the beginning. So make sure that you don't tighten it up too hard. Now after this, if you do it, it's okay. So now we are here. You'll continue again the same way you'll do, and you don't have to do it all around. You can do a little bit, and then you can continue to bring it just like this. There we go. From the back to the front, then you can push it back and you can continue, and then it's gonna look just like this. This thread is a little bit thinner, but I made over here. I want to show you the ones that I made it. I used 2 threads together, like 2 yarn together, to make it a little bit heavier. But every yarn it's different, so you can use whatever or however. So now this is, let's pretend we made it long. How do we close it to make it half of it as a head or a neck warmer? So now we're gonna take it out, half of it. What do? I take this first one, wherever I'm finished, you take that and you put this way. Actually, you go the other way, the opposite way, and then you go one more over, just like this, the thread that you have it. After you put them here, you take your thread, you put over, and you take only 2 of them, just like this. And then you take this thread and you put it here. After you put it, you're gonna go one more time over, and then you take the 2 of them out, because if you put over and you take it out, it's gonna be all out. It's not gonna, what it's gonna do is it's gonna stay on one thread, and it's gonna, you pull it, it will be bunched together. So what you have to do is you'll take it, you take this one. Now the 2 hooks, we took it out from the 2 nails. We take this and we put it to the 3rd, and then you take your thread one more time, you do the same place, just like this. You hold the thread, take the 2 of them from the back and bring it forward. Now you take this one out and you put it here, and you go over one more time, and you take the 2 of them out, and this is how it will be. Now I'm going to take this out again. I have to do a couple times, so in case if nobody knows it, they will know. After the 2 string, I put the 3rd one, the yarn, and then I take the 2 yarns out, and then I take this one again and I put on top, and I will take the yarn again, go over, and then I'll take the 2 yarn out. So doing this, this is what's going to happen here, which I did half of it. And then after you take that, which is now it's closed, let's pretend I finished it half, or let me do a little bit faster so we can go in half. All right, let's do this. Anytime you want to do faster, always it goes slower. There you go. You take this out, you put it here, you go around once on top, you take it out again, and then you pick it up and put on the next nail, and go around again and pick up the 2 and take them out. All right, now let's say that we did this. Now we are safe over here, we don't have to worry. For the rest of the part, we have to go now the other way and go. You can go again from inside out, just that's how we were doing. Continue do that and take them out again, and when you reach here, you go back and you do it again. This at the end, you don't have to turn it, you can just take it out because there it stays here. Otherwise you can do it again. Just make sure you don't tighten it up, because later on, after you take this out and while you're continuing, it won't be, let's say you push it back, and when you put it again, it might be very, very hard to take out from the head. It will be very tight. So make sure that the ends, the first one, make it loose, and then continue. Not by pulling too hard, but not to leave too loose either. Just normal way. And then you continue. You can do the neck part as long as you want to be scarf for you. Now I'm going to be a model for myself. I want to show you that how good it's going to look, which I love it. When you go to snow, cold weather, now we're in California, we don't use too much, but there is times that we go to the beach and it's cold. So this scarf, you can wear it upside down or this way, whichever you want. Now I'm going to put the scarf up. I'm messing up my hair, not that it's combed. Now you see over here that how it's folded. This is like a neck warmer for you. And then you can put the scarf just like this. You can put it inside like this, cover your ears. You can put from inside, whichever, from here, whichever you want, however you want. And it looks beautiful, nice. It will keep your ears warmer and looks beautiful. Now another way, which I said, the other way is, I have to take this out. Only one thing, I'm gonna mess up my hair, but it's okay, it's worth it. So now this time, it's the scarf is gonna be down. It was up, now it's gonna be down. So I have to put this way. Good thing I don't wear makeup. So now while this is down, we have to put this up. Let's see. And we will put this sideways a little bit. Let me. Especially when you go to snow, it's very, very good. But doesn't matter wherever you go, whatever you do. And the sides over here, this part, let me see, I have to bring it in the middle or the sides or whichever way you want. And you, there we go. And you will bring it and fold it this way. Let me put my hair in. Just like this. This is another way to wear it. And another way, which is the back, it's covered. And another way, what you can do is, you can make like a headband. You can bring it forward and twist that, even from the back. Or you can just leave the back and you can twist from here before you put in. Just like this, like I said, a headband. You can put your ponytail out. And then again, you'll cover it. And this is the way you do. And I think it's very, very beautiful, pretty. It really warms your ears, that's the thing for the cold, to protect your ears. And it's a headband. This is how you use it. Well, I hope you like this video. It's very useful, especially cold weather state. People, they would love to have it. It's nice, it's good, it's beautiful. Choose your own color, what you like, and use it. Well, I hope you like this idea. It's like I said, it's only one piece. You'll do it, half of it, you'll cut it with the way I showed you, and you can do as long as you want. So it's 2-in-1 to wear it with any color of dress you can. You can make lighter color or dark color that it can go with anything. Well, anyway, I thank you very much. Go on my videos, check my videos, see there is so many art and crafts and activities. You will enjoy it. I thank you again. Please do not forget to subscribe and like my channel. And I thank you again. Bye-bye. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this channel. I want to thank to all my patrons on patreon.com for their support to make my channel possible. Thank you.